founded with the purpose to be a corner of education. Its walls have witnessed momentous events that contributed to the rich history of the magnificent Santa Maria. The building stood tall and weathered since its construction in the year 1920 at the very center of the town. It mirrors the vibrant past and ignites the spirit of the town's youth in the present times.
The Gabaldon building of the Santa Maria East Integrated School was originally designed by architect William Parsons. These structures were part of the Gabaldon school buildings initiated during the American occupation in the early 20th century and aimed at providing accessible education to Filipino communities. The Gabaldon building, constructed on March 19, 1920, under the leadership of Assemblyman Isauro Gabaldon. The building was named after him. It holds historical significance as a symbol of early American colonial architecture in the Philippines.
Well, Gabaldon building showcases the cultural heritage of our town, Santa Maria. And it depicts how strong and resilient the people is, just like this Gabaldon building. And so we are encouraging everyone, especially the students, to come and visit this old building because it has a rich culture depicting the story of Santa Maria.
It was originally called East Central School and has witnessed numerous town hall meetings, became a hospital, and during tough times, it also became an evacuation center. It was later restored in the year 2016 without compromising its original structure and is now called Santa Maria East Integrated School and continues to be the heart of the town. As you exit the Gabaldon building, carry the unique glimpse into the heart of Santa Maria's past. Reflect on the rich history woven into its very foundation. The building always stands as a testament of commitment of Santa Marians. The truth within these walls continues to immerse in ancestry's embrace, where every corner holds a tale.
Pangasinan!